Welcome to Enrichment Day at Claremont School, where learning comes alive beyond the classroom. Today is a most fun day where students will dive into hands-on experiences that will spark their curiosity, their creativity, and collaboration.
From science experiments,
I love slime because it's fun and you can stretch and it's also really satisfying.
To artistic expressions that bring big ideas to life.
The reason why I chose the art activity is because I really love drawing, and in the future I want to be an artist.
Students also explore cutting-edge technology, solving puzzles and programming using problem solving to take on challenges.
The reason I picked coding is because it's fun to move the characters around in coding. And you get to make a bunch of these code lines, and they're really cool when you do it.
Enrichment Day isn't just about academics. It's also about finding balance and building life skills.
I picked yoga because it makes me feel calm, and whenever you do yoga, it could help you fix big emotions and helps your body stretch, and it's healthy for you.
Enrichment Day is more than just learning in the classrooms. It's about being safe, polite, being prompt, and prepared.
From Claremont School to all of you, we are so thankful for all of our teachers that work daily with our students and worked hard to plan today, and we are so thankful for our children and our families. Mr. Charvet and I wish you a happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.